What do you say in Hindi? I love you.
Oh, I know it's Pia. Pia
Good.
is love.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I'm good.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. You are?
Oh, I'm from Myanmar, but I live in Dubai.
You are
But
from
now I live.
Myanmar.
Yes, yes.
Wow. Good.
Okay, do you know Myanmar?
Yeah, of course I know. Myanmar is famous country.
Yes, your neighborhood country.
Yeah, yeah, of course. My neighborhood country is Pakistan and I
Yes.
think China.
Also Myanmar. Myanmar include.
Ha, Myanmar is also my neighborhood country. And you are my
Yes,
neighbor.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, brother. So, what time in your location?
uh, Tell me again.
What time in your location in your
Oh,
country?
time. Right now,
Yes.
6 o'clock in my country. 6
Oh, it's evening. Now, in my location, it's only 4:30 p.m.
4:30 p.m.
evening. Yes, yes.
Oh, one minute.
Have you had your lunch? Have you had your dinner?
No.
It's
I will take after 2 hours.
okay.
Hmm.
I will take my dinner because I'm hungry. After this session, I will
Hmm.
take my dinner.
Of course. Which is your
Okay.
famous dinner?
Pardon, excuse me.
Which is your famous
Sorry.
food? Food.
Famous food
Yeah.
in Myanmar.
Hmm.
In Myanmar, mm, traditional food are green tea salad.
Hmm.
Green tea salad and mo hin kha
Hmm.
and many. There are
Hmm.
so many
So
traditional
many
food.
food. In
Yes.
India, litti chokha is famous. Do you know litti chokha?
No, I
No.
know chapati, roti,
Ha
chapati, roti. I like roti, chapati,
ha.
and laddu,
Oh,
jalebi.
mhm.
I
Laddu.
like I like I like this kind of Indian food.
Did you visit in
Most
India?
of the India. No,
No.
I watch India movie a lot.
Oh,
I like
there are
India movie.
many famous movies of Bollywood.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes. I also like India movie. Also Tamil movie.
Hmm.
Uh,
Good.
are you Hindi or Tamil?
You know
It's
Hindi?
different. Yes, Hindi and Tamil.
Oh, you
It's
know
different.
Hindi. Just amazing. Extra.
No. I know. Uh, I mean, uh, Tamil and Hindi are the same.
Hindi, you know?
Hindi and Tamil,
Oh,
Tamil.
okay.
Like it's South India.
What do you say in Hindi? I love you.
Oh, I know it's Pia. Pia
Good.
is love.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.